What's up, everybody? Jason for KEB doing a quick 2018-19 Hit Parade Autograph Hat Trick Hockey Hobby Box Series 6 featuring Ovechkin, Matthews, and Kane. It's a one-box break, two random teams, number 7. So give you guys close to 20% off, $3 off a spot. Really good deal, guys. Autograph jersey, puck, and photo per box. Of course, 15 total spots, two random teams. Older jerseys like the Winnipeg Jets, Hartford Whalers will go to the teams they became, like the Yotes and Carolina Hurricanes, etc., with any other team in that category. Any puck or photo pulled will go to the team that's represented on the puck or the photo. If no NHL team logo on the puck or photo, then it'll go to the team they're currently on if they're playing, and if not, team they play for the longest in their career. And no Vegas Golden Knights or non-hockey in this randomizer. If for some reason we do pull a non-hockey or Vegas Golden Knights hit, we'll randomize that to the group of customers in the break. Started with Joe, all the way down to Joe Pizzo. Ducks down to the Jets. No Vegas Golden Knights. Let's roll. We got a 2 and a 5 7 times. Good luck 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 times. Joe Pizzo all the way down to Brad. There you go. And let's go 7 times on the teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 times. San Jose Sharks down to the Red Wings. Alright, guys. So Joe Pizzo, you got the Sharks and the Canadians last spot mojo. Freddie with the Panthers. Brad, you got the Blue Jackets. Edwards with the Senators. Jack with the Jets. Joe Pizzo with the Yotes. Chris with the Avalanche and Penguins. Joe Salzer, you got the Wild. Jack with the Hawks. Freddie with the Lightning. Edwards, you got the Hurricanes. Brad with the Ducks. With the Stars. Joe Pizzo, you got the Canucks. Chris with the Sabres. Jack with the Oilers. Edwards with the Flyers. Joe Salazar with the Kings. Brad with the Ducks Capitals. Joe Salazar with the Blues. Brad with the Islanders. Jack with the Devils. Brad with the Predators and Bruins. Edwards with the Flames. Joe Salazar with the Leafs. Chris with the Rangers. And Brad, you have the Detroit Red Wings. So I'll give you guys a quick minute or so if you guys want to make any trades. And if not, we will just start the break. And I'll post another one of these. This will be the last box I actually have in stock. So if you guys want to get it going, we can. Oh, sorry. I would like to get some ingrained going, guys. I think that stuff would be pretty solid if you guys really want to try to give it a shot. You guys want to try that next, but alright, guys. Well, I'm not seeing no trade activity. Let's close the trade window then. Paper fell. camera setting is really off. That was weird. Alright, there you go, guys. Joe Piz with the Yotes, Canadians Last Ball Mojo. And here are actually your teams here at the bottom. Scrolling just in case you guys need to see your teams. And here is the case. We got number 60. Looks like a 63 to me. Series 6 autograph hat trick. Let's rip it open. Good luck. Alrighty, so let's try to go with the photo first. And not sure. Ooh, it's a dual autograph. First of all, anybody recognize that signature? AJ Sports World. It is Ken Hodge and Wayne Cashman. Dual signed autograph photo. Well, I'm assuming that's... Well, I don't really know old school players, so you guys need to help me out with that, but... Is that Bruins? Yeah, well, Wayne Cashman, Boston Bruins. Yes, Bruins. Dual autograph signed photo for the Bruins. Who has the Bruins, guys? Brad with the Bruins. There you go. There you go, Brad. That'll be coming your way. Now let's go with the autographed hockey puck. And we got, for the Carolina Hurricanes, Eric Stahl. It's going to Jason Edwards. There you go, Edwards. Little gold ink as well. And the last hit, which is the jersey. It's a little red. Don't know what kind of red is it. Oh, wow. It is Erik Karlsson, Adidas autographed hockey jersey. Very, very nice. Look at that. Oh, it's pretty sick. Obviously not a Ottawa Senator no more, but it's an officially licensed Erik Karlsson jersey. So, no matter what, still like at least $200 in the store. Probably 50% off now, right? Since he's not a since he's not an Ottawa Senator, but still pretty nice though, man. Regardless, you know, I'm sure Erik Karlsson fan will enjoy this. There you go. And who has the Ottawa Senators? Wow, Jason Edwards. Look at that. Taking the last two. Boom. And there you go, man. That was the break. Pretty solid box. Again, guys, I have one more box left. I'm not sure what has been pulled out of this Series 6. I know Series 7 is already up on Hit Parade's website. But you never know. There still could be a huge hit hiding in my last box, guys. Kingsley Breaks. We'll see you.